Hi, welcome to CIDC Nirman. I'm Jayashree Kurup. I'm editor CIDC Nirman. I have with me Mr. Vinod Kapur of Kryton. Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you.
what and today we're talking about smart concrete. Sir, first explain to us what is smart concrete and what are its advantages.
Thank you, Jayashri, and thank you, CIDC, for giving this opportunity. And we have been working very closely with the CIDC and been guided in various aspects also to showcase our product lines in various platforms. Thank you very much. And as you were saying, for first question of smart concrete, yeah, modern concrete technologies, they have led us to various types of concretes, but especially the smart concrete, which is very getting popular lately. These concrete, smart concretes, they have the properties different from the normal concrete.
Okay.
There are two emerging types of smart concretes. One is the self-healing types, which is autonomous self-healing concrete, and the other is the conductive concrete.
Yeah.
As Kryton, we mainly deal with the self-healing concrete. Self-healing concrete, it has the ability to react upon an external stimulus such as excessive stress or environment effects, including temperature pressures, moisture, water pressures, or, or any other some limited chemical attacks also.
Mhm.
The approaches have been developed for endoing concrete with this self-repairing ability.
Okay.
I'll touch upon this particular aspect of smart concrete because Kryton, we deal with basically the smart concrete, which is self-healing.
Mhm.
Kryton, it has a proprietary technology and to allow concrete to respond to its environment to protect itself against water penetration and corrosion or erosion or abrasion.
Mhm.
Since Kryton products waterproof and harden from the inside out, they create a permanent waterproof barrier stopping the transmission of water or increase concrete hardness to dramatically extend the structure service life. Crichton has also worked from the outside in. It works waterproof cracks and improve the durability of concrete structures through certain materials which are applied post constructions on the concrete.
Okay.
Whereas the earlier one I was talking, that was the during construction treatment, where the admixtures are used, crystalline admixtures are used.
Mhm. Right. Sir, with you have a huge focus on sustainability as well. So, how do you manage the reducing the carbon footprint throughout the operations and its life cycle of the product?
See, in modern world of doing the business, every emission that is directly or indirectly part of process of business is included in calculating a corporation's carbon footprint.
Sure.
Everything from energy consumption to supply chain emissions are included in this.
Hmm.
There are ways to reduce this carbon footprint by efficiently managing your operations, production processes, as well as part of control the reuse of the materials on a larger scale.
Hmm.
Kryton, we as a company and as a group, we work very consciously on this particular aspect, which has a larger impact, social impact. And for this, We do our concrete solutions for the concrete. It has it creates property as a green concrete also, and it has a LEED certifications also.
Okay, okay. And beyond KIM and HardStem, what are the innovative solutions that are in development currently to address whatever the future challenges of infrastructure?
See, now as we earlier discussed on the sustainability,
Hmm.
we need to have the solutions in the concrete, because concrete is the second largest material used in the world after water.
Right.
So you need to make the concrete smart, having solutions where it is exposed to, the structures are exposed, although, but they are protected from the external environment, including moistures, water, as well as some abrasions, erosions.
Mhm.
So, along with it, it must have the quality to increase the durability of the concrete. So that's what we are doing in Kryton, that to
Mhm.
increase the life of and the durability of the concrete to n number of years by controlling the controllables.
Okay, okay, right.
Yeah.
So you also have to contend with global supply chain disruptions, right? So how do you do that so that you are consistently delivering quality, delivering products, and managing your supply lines?
Yeah, global supply chain disruptions, yeah, is lately one of the very main challenge which
Right.
is faced by the industry globally,
Yeah.
particularly even after COVID.
Yeah.
So, it as far as Kryton India is concerned, there are two aspects concerned. One is the local procurement. Second is the my international procurements imports.
Hmm.
So we are using the very efficient inventory management systems, so that whatever, again, carbon footprint, again it is involved in this global supply chain management, so to minimize on that, because prevention is better than cure. So
Absolutely.
we
Absolutely.
do try to manage the supply chain management as efficiently as we can.
Right. So you give a 10-year assurance, the Kryton Assurance Program. So it's a 10-year warranty. So how does Kryton even ensure its customers have access to the necessary expertise, support, and so on? So you must be giving a lot of post-sale support.
Yeah, see, performance based warranty, it works both way.
Hmm.
For the customer to be sure of what they are using and the confidence in the products and the technologies also, because now all these their technology solutions are here. Products
Hmm.
are the category in that particular segment. So, of being cost conscious and the increase in costs, right? Day by day, there are increase in costs also of the construction.
Yeah.
So every stakeholder is very much interested that they should have solutions which are economical. When I say economical, it's not in terms of pricing only or money terms only, but it is in terms of performance also.
Right.
So, if uh, from the company point of view, I know my technology, I have confidence in my technology, I know it works. Backend, I have done the research and I know it works. And I am there in the market for internationally for more than 4 decades, and in India also almost for 3 decades. And
Hmm.
our products is performing. A particular example is The first waterproofing job done by Kryton is in Seattle, and even after more than 40 years, the structure is bone dry. So that drives us and the confidence in our products in extending the performance guarantee, which works very well. When I offer the performance warranty, although waterproofing solutions are never 100%,
Mm.
it's a very challenging product. But even then, I have a confidence in my product that I extend the warranty for performance warranty for 10 years. I am there with them, on with the customer, with my team, to extend all the technical support and with track record also.
Okay. So you talked about stakeholders. So your stakeholders will also include the architects, the engineers, the professional community, which will be using the product. So do you engage with them in training, in support, and so on?
Yes, stakeholders, you have named few, but
Yeah.
I have more stakeholders. Even
Yes.
the applicator, which is applying the material, is also my stakeholder. Industry forums, they are also the stakeholder which help me in popularizing the technology and the products also. And yeah, it's a very good question. I'm very appreciable of the CIDC initiative. Dr. Sarup is a very passion for this on training the skilled labor, as well as training the trainers also in the new technologies, because construction industry has a very big challenge, as he has rightly said, and on various platforms, and which we fully endorse. And in our factory also, we have specially developed a facility for training, which we are doing along with CIDC, although not mentioned, but we are there in training our applicators and the skilled labor, because they are very important stakeholder for right use of the technology is also very important in extending the performance guarantee, what we said earlier also, and as well as the durability and sustainability of the concrete also. If the technologies are rightly applied, product is performing. If they are rightly applied by the skilled labor and supervised, and of course it is a win-win situation for all of us. And I'm thankful to CIDC for this, taking this initiative of skilling the labor in this regard.
So how do you extend the reach of your product to newer markets, to newer territories, and so on? What are your plans for that?
It's a very continuous effort, actually.
Mm.
Since although a technology is there for some time here, and people are now aware more in last 5 6 years about this crystalline technology. Earlier, the as a benchmark for all waterproofing needs of structure, they're very kind of initial technologies which are more not those cost effective as compared to the technologies what as on date are aware. So as part of this, I have a team of very trained and qualified civil engineers, and we keep on meeting the consultants, clients, developers, and make them aware of the what products are available, what technologies are available. So prime goal is to make them aware about the technology. So there may be within the technology, there might be number of companies, but that enlarge the market segment and awareness.
Right. Absolutely.
So on a larger scale, yes, and some that generated business, I'm also part of that to avail that benefit. Yeah.
So, do you do a lot of innovation, research, and so on the product continuously? And if so, how do you balance the new product innovations as well as the stabilizing the existing product usage as well.
See, as far as these new products or technology, we are not reinventing the wheel kind of thing. Technology is there. We keep on working on improving the technology.
Mhm.
How best and efficient way of using the technology should be there, so that cost effectiveness, economical, and well performance, adherences, and end result should be achieved. So that for that we keep on working on our products and the technology with various combination in a matrix, because this is uh, just a part of the concrete admixture. So there are
Mhm.
other components of the concrete also. So in our lab, we have a fully equipped lab here in factory. So we keep on working with various other additives and vis-a-vis our products.
Yeah. So when you the best results come from best usage, and best usage comes out of best training of your workmen. You did refer to how you are training the applicators and so on. Tell us a little more about your entire training strategy for this specialized product.
Yeah. Since this particular crystalline are mixtures, they are in powder form, which are to be mixed in a concrete, and it has a methodology. This is during construction, and there are some construction cold construction joints are there. So those construction joints and tie rods, they have also to be waterproofed to have the overall effect of the waterproofing, as well as the post construction applications products are there in crystalline. In both the aspects, we need to have a trained manpower. For this, what we do, we have the team of dedicated and certified applicators with us, which are uh, with the company for last number of years. And the new applicators are also most welcome, which we do interact, and people are ready to come and join on board. For them, we give the training at our factory for proper usage of these. First, to let them know about the products and how they work, then the right application, correct applications. So that's how we do the training. And post training, of course, we are giving them certificates, and few of these certifications have happened jointly with CIDC also.
Okay. Is it difficult to find manpower, sir, as you spread into more regions? Is skilled manpower an issue with you?
See, this is a very important question, for, not for this particular interest segment only, but as well. In India, I can say with that we have dearth of employable people. Although everyone says there's a lot of unemployment, and I, along with my colleagues in the industry also, we always discuss there are a dearth of employable people. So to make them employable means relevance
Yeah.
to the function where they are engaged. So we need to train them. We need to train them. Yeah.
And
And of course, skilled CIDC, as I earlier said, has really taken this very important initiative of increasing the employability of the people
sure.
by skilling them. And this is a common challenge in the industry and all across the board, in all the industries as on date. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So going forward, what are the challenges that you see in the future, and what are the opportunities that are coming up in the future? How do you look into the future and see, look at
Uh,
challenges and opportunities?
I'll do the opportunities. That is a positive thing.
Yeah,
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 challenges are always there in every business.
yeah,
See, there may be different in degree, but kinds is the mostly same.
yeah,
So challenges are always there, and challenges just through the excitement also of doing the business, as well as challenges good for the teams also. To that gives a sense of achievement also after you mitigate a challenge.
yeah,
So now, as far as opportunities, yes, of course, over the years, the quality of the construction has not only in terms of expectations, but on the ground also is improving. People are conscious of the a better infrastructure now, since they have seen the fruit of these better infrastructure. Now they are more interested and more aware of the better infrastructures. So is happening in the building and structure segment also. So people want waterproof building. Waterproofing is not only the protecting the building or the structure; it has the aesthetic side also. If you have spent a say 100 crore on a building, and but just saving say 1%, or not even 1%, 0.5, 0.4% of the cost by going through a cheaper material or not opting for a better technology, it affects the not only the quality of the structure but aesthetics of the building also,
sure,
which is more expensive later on to correct, because sometimes some birth defects are not curable. One has to live with those. So, not to have these birth defects in the building and structure, I think it is very rational to choose about good technologies right ab initio, so that later on all hassles are taken care of.
right.
And we Kryton help the industry and the stakeholders for that. That's what I can say.
All the best to you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much, and very best to CIDC
Thank
and
you.
their all the initiatives and all the team at CIDC, those who are very always very helpful. Thank you
Thank you, sir.
very much. Pleasure to
Thank,
be here. Thank
thank
you.
you.